Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at anatomy of a guitar. I'll be your instructor. My name is Benjamin Ejiri, also known as Minister Ben. Kindly share this to invite friends, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so let's look at anatomy of a guitar. Anatomy simply means the structure and then parts of the bass guitar. The structure and then the parts of the bass guitar. So the bass guitar is made up of three main parts. Okay, it's made up of three main parts. So we have the headstock. Okay, we have the headstock. We have the neck, this long thing, and then we have the body. The biggest part is the body. Okay, is the body. The headstock. The headstock is made up of the tuning pegs. Okay, because it's a 5-string bass guitar, we have 5 tuning pegs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it's a 4-string bass guitar, you're going to have 4. If it's a 6, you're going to have 6, 8, 8, 20, 20 tuning pegs. Okay, let's move on. And then we have the neck. We have the neck. We have this beautiful white thing. It's known as the nut. N-U-T. Nut. Okay. And then the fretboard. The fretboard. This is the fretboard. Okay. And then we have the frets. These gold things you see here, because my bass is a gold bass, these gold things you see here, these are the frets. Okay, the frets, they are the frets. And then we have the fret markers. Okay, the fret markers, the white things you are seeing here are called the fret markers. Yours might be the dots. The dots are here. Okay, so it might be the dot or this white thing. They are the fret markers basically. And then we have a rod. There's a metal in here, inside the neck. It's called the rod. Okay, later on I'm going to teach us the functions of each part. Okay, and then let's come to the body. So the body is made up of the pickups. The pickups, these are the pickups. And then we have the bridge. The bridge, this is the bridge. And then we have the volume knob or the tone knobs. Volume and then tone knobs. Okay, so we have the highs, we have the mids, we have the lows. You have to figure them out. Okay, and then we have the passive and then the active switch. Okay, and then we have this jack slot, the jack output, where you put your jack in and then you put it also in your amp. Okay, and then the last thing is the strap pin, where you fix your strap and then put it around your neck. So basically, anatomy of a bass guitar, we are done with that. See you in my next session. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and then share. See you.